If you're wondering how to get the 2026 FIFA World Cup sticker album, this video is for you. Because honestly, for millions of football fans around the world, collecting World Cup stickers is one of the best parts of the tournament. Long before the first match begins, people are already opening sticker packs, trading duplicates, and trying to complete every page of the album. So if you're planning to start your collection, here's everything you need to know. First, the official World Cup sticker album is usually released several months before the tournament starts. This gives collectors enough time to begin filling their albums before the opening match. Once available, you can usually find the album in supermarkets, bookstores, newsstands, sports stores, and major retail chains. Because the World Cup is such a huge global event, the album is normally distributed in many countries around the world. Another option is buying it online. Many collectors prefer ordering through official retailers, sports merchandise stores, or large online marketplaces, especially if the album isn't available locally. Now let's talk about sticker packs, because buying the album is only the first step. To complete the collection, you'll need to purchase sticker packs, which contain random stickers from teams, players, stadiums, and other World Cup content. And honestly, you will get duplicates. A lot of duplicates. But that's completely normal. In fact, trading duplicates is one of the most fun parts of collecting. Many people trade stickers with friends, family members, classmates, coworkers, and other football fans. Today, there are also thousands of collectors online using Facebook groups, WhatsApp communities, Discord servers, and collector forums to exchange missing stickers. This can help you complete your album much faster, especially when you're only missing a few stickers. Now, here's a useful tip. Start collecting early. Many people wait until the tournament is about to begin, but by then some products can become harder to find. Starting early gives you more time to buy packs, trade duplicates, and complete your collection without rushing. Another thing many fans look for is special stickers. Depending on the edition, there may be foil stickers, shiny stickers, special player cards, or other collectible items. These are often some of the most exciting stickers to find, and many collectors specifically look for them. Now let's be honest, the World Cup sticker album is about much more than collecting stickers. It's about following the tournament, sharing the experience with friends, and creating memories that can last for years. Many fans keep their completed albums long after the World Cup ends as a souvenir of the tournament and a reminder of all the excitement that came with it. So to summarize, you can get the 2026 FIFA World Cup sticker album through local retailers, sports stores, bookstores, newsstands online, retailers, and official distributors. Then start collecting sticker packs, trade your duplicates, join collector communities, and work toward completing the entire album. Because honestly, few football traditions are as exciting as opening a brand new sticker pack and hoping your favorite player is inside.